Okay, folks, massive fail. The foot's just split, as you can see, and I can feel. Okay, everybody, welcome back to this special portion, the bonus content of today's video. So I thought we'd take a minute or two to describe how I use my iPhone to live stream. So it's very simple, but I just thought I'd share that with you. So it's interesting to see, and also if you are blind or visually impaired and you're thinking of doing your own live streaming, you can give it a go. It's dead simple. So we'll just reposition and get Matthew ready to film the screen, and then we'll get rocking. So I'll catch you in a sec. Okay, folks. So we're here now on my phone, and we have this screen open with a lot of the apps. So
notes,
I just
calendar, YouTube.
So if I open the YouTube app, it just takes a few seconds just for it to load up.
Alert.
And I know now when it says that. I just have to feel around, find it eventually.
Search button.
Okay,
Create video.
so I found the create video. Tap on that.
Video. Button. Video. Button. Live.
And then
Button.
we tap on go live.
Back.
And then if I generally
Landscape.
set it up in this mode, and then it's easier for me,
Switch camera.
and I can switch camera angle so I know that it's in the right orientation for you guys.
Back camera selected. Live stream title. Empty line.
Then it asks for a live stream title.
Next key. Dictate.
How to live stream when you can't see. Full stop.
Attachment. Inserted how to live stream when you can't see. Done.
So we're done.
Done.
And then
set more on next.
So when it asks for next,
Next. Back.
it will take a photograph. So generally you try and aim it at the content.
Back. Button.
So that's done.
Back.
And then
Button.
well, obviously we won't go live, but
Go live.
if I double click that, we will go live. So it's that simple. Literally just, half a dozen steps, and then you can be recording live on your iPhone when you can't see, and obviously you've got the voiceover option set up. So it's that easy. Obviously we're not going to do it today, it was just a demonstration. So if you follow those steps, depending on what phone you've got and what operating system, it might be a little bit different, but generally the same. So I can just
App switcher. YouTube. Active. Closing YouTube.
close that down now, and that's it.